All right, guys, let's do a quick tour of the one that we call the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. This one is a more modern style cabin. This is a 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch. Okay, 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front covered porch. And look how pretty this thing is here, guys. Sorry, it was a little loud out there. So again, you got your 2x6 exterior wall studs. You got your black board and batten metal. You got either fiberglass or spray foam insulation as an upgrade inside your walls for insulation. Okay, look how pretty this is. Huge open concept living room, kitchen area. They got that beautiful light tongue and groove pine on the walls, in the ceiling, and then you got your dark floors, right? And you got windows everywhere. So you got a window here, window there, window over there by the kitchen. These are Anderson double pane windows. They staged it a little bit for me because I told them I was coming in to film today. So this is just a little staging they did for me because, again, this is getting ready to go to the customer. But I wanted it to look a little bit staged. So when I put it on film, it looks good for y'all. Again, there's your window, there's your Bosch mini split. It does come with the 2 Bosch mini splits. You got your General Electric microwave, and then here the customer opted in for a 2-burner induction stove, and you got a full-size refrigerator right over here. Got your nice knotty pine kitchen cabinets all around, lots of cabinet space. And let me turn around and show you this angle of it. And again, really nice size, very livable living room area, which I love. Again, I'm a tall fella, I'm 6'6", and I fit very comfortably in here. My head, my arms ain't nowhere near hitting the top of this ceiling. You got your 8-foot walls and it goes up to the peak with a 412 pitch. Going down the hallway, again, let me turn around one last time here and show you, because I like to take my time and really show you every nook and cranny. You see how we got all the electrical outlets already in there, exactly where the customers wanted them. Okay, there's your electrical switches. You got your controller for your Bosch mini split. And again, just picture it all organized here. Got your little living room area and put your little dining room table, and voila, do your cooking over there. Going on back down the hallway, you got your full bathroom. Okay, you got your full bathroom going here. They opted in for a walk-in shower. Now, of course, you can always do a tub, but a lot of our customers, they're getting older, so they don't want to risk falling out of a tub, trying to get in and out of a tub. So they do a lot of these walk-in showers are very popular. And then you got your commode. They went with the little stainless steel sink. There's your mirror. And again, let me close this up here so you can see what the bathroom looks like. All privatized and closed up. And voila. Again, beautiful knotty pine all around. And last but not least, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Here's your commode, and again, there is your walk-in shower. Got your light switch, and like I said, I got them running some electric to this one now because they got it folded up ready to ship. You'll notice this window here is all dark, and so is this window because we got the porch folded down for transportation, so that's why it's all dark. Obviously, you know, when the porch is folded up, it'd be nice and bright in here. There's your side window, there's your mini split, and then of course this customer they opted in for their for the closet right here. Nice, really nice size bedroom, which you could easily fit a king size bed in here. Over here in the closet, there's your closet there. There is your tankless instant water heater. And again, with that being that small, you got all that closet. You can maximize the space in the closet. And like I said, I have them They've rigged up the electrical panel for me here to have the lights on. They just got the wire running out the window for me. Because I said they temporarily wanted to make sure I had enough lighting in here to film the content. But this is your 200 amp electric box, all done up to code. And again, this is the El Chapo Muchacho. All right, guys, let's just say you're looking for a simple wood cabin. This is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough of this one. I know everybody's busy. So this is an all wood cabin. It's a 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front porch. You got a 26 gauge metal tin roof. It's black with the black shutters to match. Okay, again, the dimensions is 14 by 40 with a 6 foot by 40 foot front porch. It does come with a porch swing to the left side of the front door. Okay, let me take y'all inside real quick. When you come inside, there you go. You walk through the front door, look to the left. Let me step back so you can see it all. There's your living room area there. We got some Amish furniture there just to fill up the space a little bit. And when you come over this way, got your double pane windows. Come over this way like this. This is where your little kitchenette area is gonna go. So we'll put your sink. You can see we're getting ready to install a sink over here. Sink will go right here. Refrigerator goes in this nook. Okay, got your microwave up top, little cabinet, or we can put more cabinets up there. And then here is where your refrigerator is gonna go on the right side. Okay, and then most folks will put, refrigerator over there, stove over here. Sorry, I got carried away for a second. So stove goes here, refrigerator goes here, sink goes here, microwave goes here. That's how they usually set it up. Okay, that way you got a little kitchenette, kind of open concept into your living room area. Again, you got the beams up there. And then as you go to the back, you got a hallway here. Door number one, you got your barn doors here, as you can see. This is gonna be a really good size, generous bathroom. We can put a window on the other back side of it if you want. Here, bedroom number one with the barn door on it. And then last but not least, put your master bedroom over here at the end. So again, just a 2-bed, 1 bath. This one is just $69,000 as is, or you can buy this one fully turnkey with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks in it for $110,000. Beautiful cabin. Again, this is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. Look at them beautiful knotty pine floors. Give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. I love to brag on these wooden screen porches there, built by the Amish. Isn't that cool? Just not something you see every day. So let me step back again real quick so you can see this cabin in all its glory. And again, this is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. It's only $69,000 if you want to buy it as is and finish it yourself, or you can buy it $110,000 fully turnkey, move-in ready. Guys, hit the like, share, follow, subscribe, smash the button. Go follow us on social media. You can reach me at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. And again, this is the one we call El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. Y'all have a blessed day. There you go. All right, we're at Miss Becker's Craftsman cabin today. And look at this beautiful stained glass window she has here in the door. Isn't that beautiful? So again, you walk in through the front door, okay? Make your way to the left, and this is where she has the access down to their basement. And as you can see, this is where Miss Becker placed her access to the basement. So again, you come in through the front door, and voila. Now remember, this model is typically set up as a 2-bed, 2-bath, but in her case, she decided to make it up on this first floor, a 1-bed, 1-bath. So she has more living room space because she knew she was going to be making 2 more bedrooms down in the basement. Again, this is the Craftsman cabin, built by AmishBuiltCabins.com. Beautiful. Just a beautiful structure. As you can see, she has made it very homely, beautiful, all kinds of natural light. She insisted on having these screen doors throughout her home to keep the bugs out. So she's got a screen door there. She's got a screen door here off the living room. going onto the huge deck on the back, and she's got a screen door here. As you can see, off of her bedroom here, going out to the back deck. Okay. Again, this is her master bedroom and her bathroom. Okay. Huge bathroom, by the way. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Okay. So, again, guys, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Craftsman. We can do it as a 1 bed, 1 bath, as you can see here. But most folks, again, if they're not putting it on a basement, do this one as a 2 bed, 2 bath, or a 2 bed, 1.5 bath. But in her case, because she did the basement, she did this one as a 1 bed, 1 bath on this floor. Then you take the basement to go downstairs, where she's going to have another full bathroom and 2 more bedrooms downstairs. Again, let's take you out on the porch and show you how pretty this big porch is on the back, this big deck. And look at her Tennessee views, guys. Came all the way out here to film her cabin because I wanted you guys to see the Craftsman cabin in all its glory and how beautiful it is, and what the what the different creative ways you can finish this cabin. She's got her copper gutters and spouts and all, downspouts and all that. Got the D-log siding. Just a beautiful structure, guys. Isn't that beautiful?